If you're looking for a lightweight travel mobility unit that doesn't compromise on quality or performance, the Jazzy Carbon 27 is right up your alley. Pride Mobility continues to innovate to meet your needs, and this power wheelchair delivers everything you want for all your travels near and far. True to its name, the Jazzy Carbon 27 is a modern mobility marvel that weighs just over 27 pounds without the battery and has a total weight capacity of 300 pounds. It's comprised of a durable carbon fiber frame, high-quality material that allows the unit to be so lightweight while strong and safe for use. The Jazzy Carbon 27 is engineered for ease of travel, whether by car, airplane, or cruise ship. As you can see, it folds flat in just a few quick steps, and once in a folded position, it's easy to pick up and place in the trunk of a car or other storage area, taking up minimal space. When it's time to get moving again, the unit unfolds even quicker, and because of its light weight, you can even unfold it with just one hand. Other key features of the Jazzy Carbon 27 include an airline-compliant lithium battery, a storage compartment under the seat for belongings, a breathable mesh back and seat cushion for comfort, a cup holder to keep you refreshed, front suspension to ensure a smooth ride, and a modern LCD joystick controller that can be affixed to either armrest. Optional accessories include a headrest, an attendant control, an upgradable cushion, and our Jazzy travel bag kit to keep your power chair protected when traveling. Tested to the industry's highest standards and supported by the quality and service for which Jazzy is known, the Jazzy Carbon 27 is a power wheelchair that makes it easier to travel than ever, no matter your destination. Head to PrideMobility.com to learn more.